In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create IAM users inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up AWS inside of your favorite browser and then log into your account. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in IAM like so. And then under services right here, you'll be able to see IAM like so. From here, you'll simply need to click on it. And then from here, the dashboard for IAM should be visible. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the left-hand side and go over until you see IAM users right here, and then click on it. Now from here, you'll be able to see an overview of all of your previous created IAM users. And if you have never created one before, you should bring something like this where you can see no resources to display. Now from here, we'll need to create an IAM user, and to do that, you'll simply need to go up to the right-hand corner and go over to create user over here. Once from here, you'll need to specify the user details and add a username for the specific user. Once from here, you'll need to add whether or not it should provide user access to AWS Management Console, and you can add a password, either auto-generated password, meaning that AWS will provide one for you, or you can add a custom password by clicking here and then enter in your password. You can also add whether or not the user must create a new password at the next sign-in. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Next. And then from here, we'll need to set the permissions for the specific user. From here, you can add the permission options, where you can add the user to a group. You can copy permissions, where you can copy all group membership, attachment, manage policies, and inline policies from an existing user, or you can attach policies directly by clicking right here. If you click Add New User, you'll be able to create a new user create a new group by clicking here on Create Group. Once from here, you'll need to enter in the name of the specific group. So let's just call it test4 for this tutorial. And then from here, you'll need to add the permission policies. You can also create a new policy by clicking right here, or you can search for the specific policy that you have already created and then select how many policies that you want to add into the group. From here, you'll simply need to create user group like so. And as you can see, test4 user group has been created. And from here, you'll simply need to click Next. Once from here, you'll be able to see the user details, the username, console password, and requirement password reset. You can also down here see the permission summary, and you can add tags for the specific user if you want to do that by clicking Add New Tag. Or if you're done with all that, you'll simply need to click Create User. From here, you'll be able to see console sign-in details, like your console sign-in URL, the username, and the console password. You can download that as a CSV file by clicking here, or you can email sign-in instructions to your own email or the specific member that you want to send this user to. From here, you'll simply need to click Return to User List and click Continue, like so, and then you can see over here, test3 has been successfully created. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!